The Labour Court has dismissed an urgent bid by suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department EMPD Deputy Chief Commissioner Julius Mkhwanazi to hold disciplinary proceedings against him, paving the way for the city of Ekurhuleni to move forward with its internal process. Mkhwanazi had approached the court seeking to interdict the hearing, arguing that the municipality lacked the authority to discipline him over alleged misconduct tied to a contract that has since been terminated. He contended that any charges arising from that period fell outside the city's jurisdiction. The court, however, rejected this argument. In a firm ruling, Judge Susanna Harvey held that a change in contract or employment status does not absolve an employee from accountability for alleged wrongdoing committed during their tenure, and said the employee was an employee of the employer at the time of the alleged misconduct, and he remained an employee at the time the allegations were made, and that the disciplinary inquiry instituted. The judgment removes a significant legal hurdle, effectively clearing the path for disciplinary proceedings that could carry serious consequences for the senior officer. Mkhwanazi has remained a central figure in corruption allegations aired at the Matlanga Commission. He is accused of having links to alleged underworld figure Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, also known as Cat. Among the claims under scrutiny are allegations that private vehicles linked to Matlala were unlawfully registered under the municipality's name. His court application had been widely interpreted as an attempt to delay or avoid facing these allegations in a formal disciplinary forum. With the Labour Court's decision now handed down, the city of Ekurhuleni is free to proceed, and Mkhwanazi will have to answer to the charges against him. Meanwhile, the Matlanga Commission has postponed the appearance of the suspended Ekurhuleni Police Metro Deputy Chief. Mkhwanazi was scheduled to resume his testimony on Monday, 23 March. Advocate Mahlape Silo briefly addressed commissioners on Friday and said, "We have considered these issues and we are persuaded that it is only appropriate to give him sufficient space to attend to matters relating to funeral as a very close member of the family. The commissioners will appreciate that following the funeral of someone so close, certain rituals must be performed so that will not have made his appearance on Monday possible." The top cop made headlines when the now deceased protected witness at the Matlanga Commission, known as Witness D, told the commission that he became a state witness after helping dispose of a body he said was that of a man killed during an off-the-books operation involving Ekurhuleni Metro Police officers. Witness D, who was later identified as Marius van der Merwe, told commissioners that Mkhwanazi instructed the body of Emmanuel Mbenze to be dumped in a mine shaft or a dam. Van der Merwe said he gave a written statement to the Independent Police Investigative Directorate and participated in a scene identification exercise in late 2022 or early 2023. Mkhwanazi, who has since been placed on special leave, is expected to return from the commission on 14 April. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.